What's up, bull runners? Welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up to a world where Ripple XRP has dethroned Ethereum. Could this be the dawn of a new crypto era? Dive into the mystery of XRP's monumental rise with me, where every moment counts in the race of digital supremacy. There's a whisper in the crypto world about XRP's potentially eclipsing Ethereum, but the path is shrouded in uncertainty. Legal battles, market volatility, and technological races paint a complex picture. Yet clarity emerges from the chaos with Ripple's strategic maneuvers towards Wall Street. We're seeing the solution unfold. XRP is not just knocking on Wall Street door, it's about to walk through it, potentially reshaping the crypto landscape forever. The clock is ticking. 2 months since ChatGPT first pondered if XRP could overtake Ethereum, and now, with every passing second, we edge closer to the seismic shift in crypto power dynamics. This isn't just about investment, it's about understanding the future of finance. Miss this, and you might miss the chance to be part of history. The moment of action is now. We're going to be going over XRP one step closer to Wall Street, and here's how. 2 months later, ChatGPT revisits whether Ripple XRP could overtake Ethereum. We'll be taking a look at X and see all the breaking news that's happening in the crypto world right now. And stick with me till the end, where we're going to cover an exclusive sneak peek into Altcoin Pro, our crypto community platform designed for savvy investors. Learn about the features that could give you the edge in the crypto market, but you have to watch till the end to unlock this treasure. And if you're like most people, you probably don't have the opportunity to spend hours a day in the crypto news like we do here on this channel. And that's what we do. We bring that to you in a condensed manner. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you're feeling bullish about this current bull run, let me know by commenting 777 down below. But first, let's head over to CoinMarketCap and check out the overall health of the crypto market. The weekend has been quite slow for crypto, as you've known. If you've checked the charts, right now we're at a $3.13 trillion market cap total for crypto, and only $95 billion worth of volume today. Fear and Greed Index coming to us at 35, and Altcoin Season Index only at a 34. Bitcoin dominance coming in at 60.9%. Top 5 coins trending on CoinMarketCap: TSTS, number 1, Bitcoin, number 2, Solana, number 3, XRP at number 4, and BNB at number 5. Top 5 coins by market cap: Bitcoin number 1, currently at $96,000. Ethereum at number 2 at $2,600. Tether, always a dollar. XRP, $2.35. And Solana at $199. Jumping over to X, we got Ripple. In one of their new advertisements, we're building the internet of value.
For over a decade, Ripple has worked to bridge the gap between blockchain and traditional finance. We've built enterprise-grade digital asset infrastructure trusted by the world's largest banks. From instant global payouts and access to off-ramps, to secure digital asset custody solutions, to the stablecoin created with trust and compliance at its core, Ripple enables enterprises around the world to tokenize, store, exchange, and move value. We're not waiting for the future of finance to arrive. We're building the internet of value today.
And for any of you guys that have been in the meme coin industry as of late trying to catch a banger, take a look at this. Watching the dev post about utility, but the coin is down 80%.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I think we all know how that guy's feeling right now with your coin being down 80%, unfortunately, on some of these meme coins. Yahoo Finance Chris Klein, COO and co-founder of Bitcoin IRA, explains why Bitcoin should be included in people's retirement portfolios.
35% of Americans felt like they were significantly behind when it comes to saving for retirement. That's according to Bankrate's retirement survey. Now, one asset that you may not have considered adding to your retirement portfolio: cryptocurrency. Joining me now in studio with more, we've got Chris Klein, who is the COO and co-founder of Bitcoin IRA. Chris, great to have you here in studio with us. Now, you say that there are 3 things that typically draw investors to crypto. So let's start with asymmetry. Why is that appealing?
Just getting yourself as a potential hedge against other problems in the marketplace. Also, just getting off of zero and having an opportunity. This is a big shift in monetary policy that's happening. And for the first time in about 100 years, from the White House, we're getting executive orders that are saying, hey, this is time for national sovereignty, and for individuals like yourself, individual sovereignty. sovereignty with your portfolio.
You're also looking at this as an inflation hedge. That's part of the top 3 things that you're looking for and reasons why investors tend to turn to Bitcoin for retirement saving. Just break that down for us in the inflation hedge that Bitcoin could be for retirement saving.
So it comes down to scarcity. There's only 21 million Bitcoin that'll ever exist. 19.5 million of them are accounted for. We haven't seen this kind of scarcity since the 1920s, 1930s. So to get, there'll be a day where they'll say, wow, you're a 1 Bitcoiner, and it'll be a life-changing experience for those folks.
Interesting. And lastly, within that, volatility and hedging against volatility. I mean, Bitcoin and crypto more broadly initially and continue to be known as a more volatile asset. So how does having engaging that volatility, how does that work within a retirement strategy?
Well, you're more of a long-term thinker, or as we call long-term hodlers in the crypto space. So when you're in your retirement setting, you're thinking 3, 5, maybe even 7 to 10 years out. But volatility is a reality walking in. And especially this year, we're going to have price discovery. Tom Lee and others are calling for maybe $200,000, $250,000 for a Bitcoin. We're sitting just around 102.
$250,000 Bitcoin in 2025. Very exciting potential upside. XRP one step closer to Wall Street. Here's how. Hey, bull runners, are you feeling FOMO about this bull run without the right financial support? We're here to change that. We're not just about funding, we're about growing your business together. Whether you're investing in crypto, kicking off a new startup, managing your existing business, or looking to expand, we have personalized funding that meets your exact needs. Imagine starting your business or getting capital to invest $100,000 to $250,000 at 0% interest. That's not a dream, it's what we do. We've helped countless entrepreneurs like you with 0% interest funding without needing personal funds, income verification, or collateral. With just a 680 credit score, you qualify. We understand that your business can't wait, so take advantage of our quick funding approach. We look beyond the credit score with inclusive approval process that sees the big picture of your business or investment potential. Our flexible repayments are tailored to match your business cycles, ensuring you can manage repayments without strain. With access to our extensive lending network of over 5,000 options, we're committed to finding the perfect match for your business or investing needs. Plus, you'll have our dedicated team by your side, guiding you through every step of the funding journey. Whether it's buying crypto, hiring new employees, or launching a new product, we're committed to your success. Click the link to connect with our expert advisors and secure your business's future now. XRP depository receipts will soon be available for purchases by accredited investors, according to Fox Business. Accredited investors will have access to XRP depository receipts, DRs, through RDC and Digital Wealth Partners. Eleanor Tourette from Fox Business wrote on X. The XRP DRs will provide a regulatory pathway for institutional and high net worth investors to hold XRP without engaging in crypto exchanges directly. The depository receipts will be held by Anchorage Digital, a federally chartered bank regulated by Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC. XRP ready for a new bull run. Earlier, Fox Business reported, quoting its sources, that the New York Department of Financial Services is reportedly close to approving new stablecoin issued by Ripple. Ripple's XRP surged 20% during the Thanksgiving weekend, building on 200% rise since October and solidifying its position as the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap at the $108 billion valuation. And of course, as we know, XRP ETFs are on the way. These filings are crucial for the step of the ETF approval process, setting the stage for potential listings. Once this SEC formally acknowledged the applications, it will have 240 days to reach a decision. Bitwise was among the first to file the XRP ETF all the way back in October, followed by Canary Capital. Since then, other major players have entered the race, with Grayscale, the largest crypto asset manager, recently applying to convert its XRP trust into an ETF. So the reason that this is so powerful and so important, that XRP does start to get this institutional money, this accredited investor money. These people have very, very large pockets and they're ready to flood into the market. And some of them are still scared to engage with the crypto exchanges. So this will allow them to do this without engaging in the crypto exchanges directly and just go directly through their retirement and savings plans. Well, let's talk about this right here. ChatGPT revisits whether Ripple XRP can overtake Ethereum. This was done quite a while ago, but now they're redoing this whole scenario. If this can actually happen, let's take a look. A lot has changed since the first iteration of this. XRP's run continues with a massive surge to $3.39 in mid-January, which actually matched the 2018 all-time high of $3.40. But the asset failed to break it. The subsequent rejection and market-wide retracements have pushed Ripple's cross-border token down to $2.40, right now trading at $2.30. with a market cap of $139 billion. ETH's performance, though, has been quite underwhelming. The biggest altcoin peaked just over $4,000 a couple of occasions on December, but failed to maintain its run, let alone go towards its all-time high of 4,800. The most recent corrections hit it hard, with its price tumbling to $2,200 on Monday morning. Although it now sits at $2,600, ETH's market cap has plunged hard since the first article. This puts the difference between the two at a modest $175 billion, which is a lot less than the $340 billion in early December. However, most is due to the fact that ETH's crash rather than XRP actually charting permanent gains. Back then, ChatGPT listed several factors that could propel XRP towards the second spot. Market conditions, which have worsened since then, especially for ETH, regulatory clarity, still pending during the new US administration, tech developments. Ethereum is close to a big upgrade called Pectra, as well as a broader crypto trends, somewhat vague. During its most recent response, the AI chatbot highlighted regulatory clearance once again. It asserted that the resolution of the ongoing SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is essential for XRP's price movements. A favorable outcome for the company, which is highly possible now, given the pro-crypto administration, could skyrocket the token's price and vice versa. In fact, ChatGPT believes there won't be a big run for XRP until there's clarity in the lawsuit. Another factor is that XRP is on its way in its potential involvement with Ripple's CEO in the crypto regulatory group within the US. As you know, Brad Garlinghouse has been put onto this new crypto enforcement. In terms of institutional adoption, ChatGPT gave the lead to ETH, which has a fair share of exchange-traded funds. The product saw a light of day in the middle of 2024 and have enjoyed reasonable demand over the past few months. However, XRP could be next in line for the ETF, and that could bring more gains for the underlying asset. Lastly, the AI projected outline a significant difference between the two blockchains in regard to speeds and fees, in which XRP is above and beyond. Ripple's 3 to 5 second per transaction negligible fees versus Ethereum's slower and gas fees remain an issue despite upgrades. ChatGPT concluded that while Ripple and its token have some advantages over Ethereum and ETH, such as payment speed and certain financial partnerships, the possibility of the former surpassing the latter is unlikely unless Ethereum stumbles even more. So let me know, guys, do you think that XRP is going to take out Ethereum for the number 2 spot by market cap for total coins? And I know some of you guys were around for the last bull run and you were part of the SafeMoon. If you remember SafeMoon was a huge hit for quite some time. And unfortunately, the owners of that token took it down to its demise. But SafeMoon CEO asked to push the trial based on Trump's SEC policy changes. Could SafeMoon have an actual revival? Braden John Caroni, facing a securities fraud charge, requested his trial be delayed in response to Donald Trump's proposed crypto policies, potential affecting related news. In a February 5th filing in the U.S. District Court of Eastern District of New York, Caroni asked the federal judge to push the jury selection for his trial from March to April, citing significant changes proposed by the SEC under President Trump. Under the current scheduling order in the case, the parties may learn within days or hours of the commencement of the trial that DOJ no longer considers digital assets like SafeMoon to be securities under the securities law. Worse, the parties may learn that during or shortly after the trial, half of whose charges rest on the government's claim that SafeMoon is a security. So essentially, he's arguing with Trump's new laws and the SEC coming in and making new crypto laws, that this case against the SafeMoon creator could be thrown out altogether. And if you don't remember, U.S. authorities unsealed an indictment against SafeMoon's Caroni, Kyle Nagy, and Thomas Smith in 2023, charging them with securities fraud, conspiracy, wire fraud conspiracy, and money laundering conspiracy. The trio allegedly diverted and misappropriated millions worth of SafeMoon's tokens between 2021 and 2022. It's unclear when Judge Eric Committee could decide on Caroni's request. The former SafeMoon CEO was released on $3 million bond in February of 2024 to await trial, while Nagy reportedly fled to Russia after charges were filed. Caroni has pleaded not guilty to all charges. So I know a lot of you guys have been around and you went through the last bull run, and at the end of that, some of these crazy tokens absolutely moonshotted and then pumped and dumped on us. And SafeMoon, I know a lot of you guys are probably holding a big bag of that, kind of went to zero at this point. But could this revive the SafeMoon token? Let me know what you think down below.
Hey, bull runners, check this out. If you want to learn how to find the next 10x, 50x, or even 100x altcoin in this video, listen to this. Our research team posted GOAT on the 13th of October of 2024 when it was right at a penny, and since then it rallied to over $1 and is currently still up over 5,000%. That's like turning $1,000 into over $50,000. Our team called Pendle at only a $16 million market cap, or 16 cents, back on February 18th of 2023, all the way back here, and since then it's rallied up over 4,000%. That's a 40x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $40,000. Our team also called BitTensor Tau September 15th, 2022, before the token was ever even launched. And since then, Tau has rallied over 2,000%. That's a 20x. Our team even said Solana is most likely to be one of the easiest trades next year, and this was posted December 29th, 2022, on the day that Solana bottomed out at around $8. And since then, Solana looks like it's up over 2,500%. That's a 25x. It's like turning $1,000 into over $25,000. And the bull run is just getting started. The list goes on and on and on. Our team called Sui, Ondo, and even some of the biggest cult-based meme coins like MOG back in July 20th of 2023, the day that MOG launched. So if you want to learn how our team is finding these altcoins before they explode, we just launched Altcoin Pro University, where our research team gives you real-time altcoin picks with explosive potential for this bull run, along with 100+ expert curated classes crafted by industry experts to discover these gems yourself, on top of our live weekly calls every single week for in-depth crypto market analysis and daily updates. And that's just a fraction of what we offer inside of Altcoin Pro University through the link below. And although we make no guarantees because crypto is definitely risky, guys, this is only $97 a month or $970 a year. If you want to save $194, getting 2 months for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses through the link below. But I'm not going to talk all about that in this video because we have a lot to cover. Just go through the link in the description below, get in right now, watch the 26-minute video covering everything that Altcoin Pro University offers, because we have a lot to cover with you over the next few minutes in this video to help you become the first millionaire in your family tree. If that's a goal of yours, our goal is to help 1,000 members set their portfolio up for life this month. And you can get started through the link in the description below right now, or you can go to bullrunners.com to take advantage of the bonuses we're giving you before they expire. We have about 200 members right now, and we literally just launched like less than 5 days ago at the time of making this video. Everyone is loving the community. They're loving the education. They're getting access to real-time altcoin picks first before we ever make videos about them. So click the link in the description below, watch the video, and I'll see you on the inside.